I have a Maytag Bravos washer that consistently has an unbalanced load and is now starting to make a squeaking sound when it runs. I think I may need to replace the bearing for the tub.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I don't have the model number handy. I bought the washer new from Home Depot about 8 years ago.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. This is quite a major issue, unfortunately. This Bravos washers are the same as the Cabrio Whirlpool washers because Whirlpool bought out Maytag, so all they did was change the name. Either way, this is a well-known problem and the squeaking is the main bearing and seal going out. That causes the motor to struggle when trying to run, which is why you get an unbalanced error even when the washer isn't unbalanced. This will require a new main tub bearing and seal kit to resolve the issue, so below is a link to a video that shows you how to replace it if you wanted to do the work yourself. The part numbers you need are the same as the part numbers listed in the beginning of the video. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.